In this short video I am going to show you how to fix a CFL bulb which failed after its lifetime. There are two failures that can happen in CFL. One is the tube failure. As you can see, it getting blackish when on the edge of the tube, which is a tube failure. Other type is the circuit failure. It happens uh, due to some lightning or some other electrical failures. Circuit get failed, but the tube does not show black colored rings around the tube. Therefore, combining these two, we can make a single working CFL bulb. To do that, you need to break the first two CFL into two parts. You can see this edge. As you see here, you need to use the hacksaw blade to cut a slit on this edge. After that, you can insert a screwdriver onto that slit and turn it. When you turn it, the CFL bulb break apart. You can remove the circuit easily after unwinding the 4 wires. You can see in this in the one side of the tube side of the CFL bulb. After removing it, and you need to after that you can get the another bulb which has only the circuit failure, and you can do the same thing and take the circuit out. The good circuit and the good tube can be combined together. Again, we making the 4 connections using your hands. After that, you can make a bulb like this, winding using the wiring tapes. You can use this wiring tape to do the job. After that, you can see the CFL bulb working as you see here. Thank you.